What about now? Can you guys hear me now? Dude, why is this happening? Let me go to my own channel. Oh, you can? Oh, hey, lads. Yo, what's going on? It's my first little live stream here. I'm just testing things out, see how things go. I'm guessing you probably can't hear the music anymore. That is so weird. I can't have two different tracks. Do I see you? I do see you, Master Dude. Cool. So, since this is gonna be my first live stream, it's gonna be a quick one. Let me show you what we're gonna be doing today. Here we're in NPM. Call of Duty API. Yeah, no music. So apparently I can't have two different tracks. So I had one track, but it's not recording the other track. So I can only have one playing at a time. That sucks. Anyway, I found this cool API here. I feel like it would be a little fun to code a little Call of Duty Discord bot where you can track your own stats and games and KD and all that. When music bot part 2. Okay, that is something I do want to get into a lot. And I mean, a lot of people have requested for music bot part 2. The one reason that I haven't uploaded that is because I'm trying to figure out a structure to do it. If I should do it in an advanced way with like databases, or if I should do sharding, or just simply do a list. So the last two episodes are like the fillers of the playlist of coding Discord bots, which is just going to be like the Minecraft one. Those are fillers until I figure out if I should do the music bot in an advanced way or just a normal way. Let's see. All right, so this is the API here. It's actually really cool. Let's go to the docs. And here, if this loads, there's a lot of cool stuff that Call of Duty allows you to do. You can get a lot of information, like your kills, every single kill you've gotten. This is so cool. How to enable your bot 24/7? It's actually pretty easy. Just search for a VPS, which is a virtual private server. Just find one. I'm probably gonna do a video. I gotta get like a sponsor to do this with, but let's see if I can find one. Here we go. Bluehost. You get a private server like this, and you do have to rent it out, but I think there's a free versions. And then you just simply take the code from your project here, take everything, put it in a virtual server, and then just run it there. It's pretty simple. I'm definitely gonna do a tutorial on that later on. Music bot with Spotify. Oh, does Spotify have an NPM package? Spotify. They do. Oh, this is 6 years ago. Spotify web app. I guess you could do it. You just gotta find a package. Listen, everything you guys can possibly think that you can do on a Discord bot, it's actually super easy to do. Just go to NPM and just try finding a package that someone already coded for you and just implement it into a Discord bot. Like, you can get something running like this. Pretty simple. All right, actually, let's get started. So, how do we want to structure this? So, from the API, there's actually a couple information you can get. You can get from Warzone, you can get from multiplayer, and from multiplayer you can get from Modern Warfare and Cold War, but you can also get the Battle Royale information. So I feel like we want to do two commands, one for Warzone and one for the current COD, which is Cold War. So, oh man, I'm really sad that you guys can hear the music right now. We want to do something like multiplayer check, then the username or the tag, and then the platform. And then we're gonna send a embed with a lot of information. Am I starting from scratch? Do you guys want me to start from scratch? I mean, this is basically scratch. All we have here is the handlers. This is like the video we made like 3 videos ago. It's just a handler. Am I using OBS? I am using OBS. I feel like, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't start from scratch. It's the basic project structure. When is a Discord server coming out? Ooh, okay, so this is the public one that I'm gonna start moving everything. I have a private test server, but this is the server right now that I'm starting to move everything from the private server into the public server. So I have to move all the bots, I have to move everything into this server, but as you can see, it's all laid out already. I gotta change the name, gotta add a picture, and we're good to go. Pretty soon, boys, pretty soon. It's kind of hard because I want to get bots that help you guys code, and I don't necessarily want to code one myself. That would be kind of hard. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to do that. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. The first command, multiplayer check, MP check. Module.exports. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to do this tutorial for tomorrow's episode. But I might as well do the live stream now. So name, MP check. Checks a I don't know, checks players info on COD multiplayer. Execute. We want to pass in. What do we want to pass in? We definitely want client. We want message. We want args. I guess we also want Discord for the embed. What games do I play? I mainly don't play much games. I do play old school RuneScape. I've been grinding that game out a lot. Will I be streaming for long? It's gonna be like another 30 minutes. I'm just gonna do this quick bot. It's like a test. I'm just testing live streaming. Haven't done it before on this channel. All right, so we definitely want this to be async. We want to check for the first and second arguments. So we want to check for these two right here. So if the first arguments does not exist, or the first one, return message that channel that send. Please enter a player's tag. Player's tag. If the second argument doesn't exist, return message that channel send. Please enter a player's platform. Generally mean. I'm trying to figure out how to code a team draft. Thank you for the super chat. What do you mean by team draft? Like you get 2 different teams? It depends on how you're trying to do it. If you're trying to do like a reaction roles where you get 2 different teams, or does it just randomly draft 2 teams from all of your members? It kind of depends. Let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see if I can help you. Oh, did I not? Oh, I could reply. Well, sending it is not replying it. Here, I'll just do reply. I guess you could do reply. Or is it? No, I'm just going to do send. What am I thinking? Okay, all right. So I'm gonna have to check this because there is a way that you have to log in to the Call of Duty API, and the way you log in is you do it through this. Also, I gotta make sure I have the package installed. So let me install that. Both as an option. I want to give people the option of either, like either groups. Oh, I mean, okay, I get you. I get you. So what you can do is it depends on if you want to start the draft manually or automatically. If you want to start the draft automatically, I recommend a package called cron, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, cron. And this is kind of like a scheduler where you can set up like a schedule and like a time, and it'll run your code at that specific time. So I would suggest to make a for loop to get all the members of your Discord server, then use cron to then divide, well, cron to schedule the event, and then in a for loop to divide all of your members into 2 different roles. And then I don't know how you can do like the later stuff, but just divide them 2 separate roles, then have your event with the little, channels or whatever you want to do with the roles. And then after it's all over, have cron take all the members back and then give everyone back their normal roles if you want to do that, or delete the 2 roles for the draft. But that's what I would do. Anyway, for our login here, you need the Call of Duty logging. So I don't want to leak this. I definitely do not want to leak this. But anyway, you're going to need 2 things. You're going to need your Call of Duty email and your Call of Duty password to be able to log into the API, which is actually really easy. I really like how Call of Duty does that. So I already do have that. I have it in my .env, so I don't share with you guys. So we're going to require .env in this file. So I think it's just require .env and then .config, I'm pretty sure. And we're going to create 2 variables to hold our username and our password. Once again, I did it with my environment variable, so I don't leak it to you guys. So let username is going to be equal to process.env. And I think I named it cod underscore username. Let password equals process.env.cod password. Do this again. I'm gonna have a little bot all structured up so we can actually enjoy chat. Okay, so we logged in. Well, we haven't logged in. We have now the username and password. Now we want to try to log in, and through the API, you log in. Let's see how you log in the API. Log in. Just to try and catch. So let's do a try and catch. Try. Catch. We're catching an error. Throw error. Actually, before we throw the error, message.channel, let's send. There was a problem fetching this player. Ooh. There are plenty of tutorials on hosting. It's actually super easy. I'm like one of those people who haven't made a tutorial on it, but if you go on YouTube, there are so many tutorials. Especially free tutorials. A lot of people want to host their bots for free, and there are a lot of ways to do that. So I'm guessing we have to await for the logging. Actually, we have to import it. What am I doing? What's the import? So let's create a variable here, const cod underscore API equals require. We're going to require the Call of Duty API. Why is this not? Here, I'm just going to copy it from their website. Just to make sure. There we go. So let's log in. So I think it's await cod API dot login. We're going to pass in that username. We're going to pass in that password. And then to get the data, from it. Let data equals await cloud API dot. Okay. So this is where it's interesting. We got Modern Warfare. We have Cold War. We have Black Ops 4. Black Ops 3. Holy crap. This goes all the way back. And what's WW? World of War? Is that a Call of Duty? Why can't I hear the bot music? It's because the tracks are messed up right now. Do I read the chat? I'm trying, dude. I'm trying to code and read the chat. It's the first time I've done this. It's so hard. How do people live stream coding? How do you make a database? You have to learn a database. So the one I recommend is MongoDB. This is one of the most popular databases that people use for video games and Discord bots. So what you have to do is learn how to open this up, start it up, and learn the language of it, which is pretty simple, as you can see. And then just connect it with Mongoose. Okay, yeah, Mongoose. This is something they have to install through NPM, and this connects to your database. So it's just a little bit of researching. It's not that hard. SQLite is also pretty good, from what I've heard. Suffering reading chat. I'm gonna get used to it. I promise I'm gonna get used to it. My SQL is very good as well. So let's actually, I want to get this data done. So API, we want to get Cold War, right? That's the most recent Call of Duty. So CW multiplayer. And then we want to get a user. Oh boy. So I know we're in the battle.net platform. I just don't want to leak my username. Boys, please don't send me any friend request. Slash hashtag 15527 15527. Wait, 11527. No problem, Electro. Am I gonna keep this video on YouTube? Actually, I was thinking of making this tomorrow's episode. This is just me testing to see how things work. Usually I code the bot and then I do the tutorial. So I feel like since I always do that, might as well live stream me coding the bot for the tutorial, if that makes sense. I want them to join a queue that can be set to a specific amount, and then when the queue fills, I want them to be presented with an option of either draft choices. The queue. Oh, okay. So to have a queue, you can either do it with a database if you want to. That's a little more complicated. Or you can actually have a list. So you can have something like a list, like let users equals a list, and add them in here. And this will be their queue, and then loop through each one, and then delete them through here. So if you, let's say a member called John passes through here, and then the next one's gonna be Bob. You queue to this, then you delete whatever you want to do with John, and then you do the next thing with Bob. Okay. Is this for any platform? Yes. Okay. This is why I also love this API. If you check here, platforms, you got PlayStation, you got Steam, you got Xbox, Battle.net. I'm guessing Acti is Activision? I actually don't know what Acti is. And I have the Uno, which is if you want to identify them by a number. But yeah, you have all the basic platforms right here. So you have PlayStation, Steam, Xbox, and Battle.net. Hello from Israel. What's up? How would I set up the queue with reaction roles? Just make a simple reaction role, and when someone reacts to it, add them into the queue. So you can do let queue, then back to that list, and then when they react, you can do queue that push, and push their the author here. Whoever just reacted to it, push it into the list here. And when you want to delete them from the queue, I think you do pop. So pop. And then you pop them out of the queue. What's up, Shadow Gaming? Poll commands? Oh, I do have... Okay, yeah, I definitely need to add a moderator. I did not mean to pin that. Oh, dude, I'm so bad at this. I do have a poll command video on my channel if you guys want to do. Or queue that shift. Yeah, queue that shift goes into the next one. You're right. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so let's log in because I actually want to know the data. Let's console.log data. All right, so this should work, right? Let me check this one more time. Yeah, it should work. Let's run it. All right, there we go. Go into here. MP check. Oh, wait. I'm so stupid. Actually, whatever. MP check. Boom, boys. Look at all this info we got. So this is mybattle.net. And it looks like we want to go into lifetime, then into properties. But I literally have all the information of my whole entire Call of Duty career since the API was created, which I think was Black Ops 4, on my palm of my hands. I can do whatever I want with it. That's actually crazy. I love this. So let me get the information I want from Cold War, which I think it's... Let me check correctly. That lifetime, I think it was lifetime. All that properties. Let's run that. Oh, there it is. Kills, KD. Oh my gosh, I have a terrible KD. Dude, I'm sorry, lads. I really need to get a Nightbot in the live stream before I started. Just try not to spam, boys. When is the next tutorial? Tomorrow. Cool. Oh my gosh, so much info. All right, so let's make an embed. I'm wondering, when is the part 2 of the music bot coming out? I explained this at the beginning of the live stream, and it is that I'm currently figuring out what's the best structure to do it. If I should do it with a database, with sharding. Sharding is a very complicated subject, or if I just do it with a list. So honestly, I might just do it with the list, and that'll probably take me like 2 days to actually code up and make the tutorial on. Anyway, from all the spammers, I'm gonna have to get a bot, but for now, let's get an embed running. Am I gonna keep the live stream on the channel? Probably not. I'm gonna make this into a tutorial. And then, yeah. So this is like the pre-tutorial coding, you could say. You have an epic bot thanks to me. Aw. That's so cool, dude. So const embed equals new Discord, that message embed. Let's do set color. Let's do a hex color. What's a cool hex color? This is Call of Duty. Call of Duty, I feel like when you talk about Call of Duty, it's like this red. It's more like this red. Okay, let's go back to it. What VS Code theme am I using? I am using One Dark Vivid, but I have something custom installed. I forget how I did this correctly. I have One Dark Vivid, and then I have a extension called Glassit. Yeah, this is what I have. This makes it transparent so I can see like my background. I don't know, I just kind of like coding like that. Generally mean, can you make a video on the team draft that I mentioned? Honestly, that is a good idea. So it adds it into a queue for a team draft. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm gonna actually add that to my little notepad. Stickers. That's not what I meant to do. A team draft. Because I already have the reaction roll set up as a video. Thanks for the $2, bud. Thank you. I just added it to my list. Yeah, I glassed it. It's such a cool extension, dude. It makes me work like 20 times harder and faster. Just see like the background? Like look at that. That's Levi in the back. Okay, kind of close everything down. A team draft is where you just take your members and you draft them into different teams. I have something similar on my reaction roles setup where I had blue team and red team, and then you can react to the role, and then it would add you into that team. Levi for life, definitely. Set title. Pod multiplayer stats. Then that's set description. What do we want to do for description? We can figure something out. Also, we have to add this into args0 and add this into args1. Do I know how to make a game in Discord? Honestly, you know what I was thinking? This could potentially be a huge like series in my channel. And I honestly want to try this. It's just making an MMO in Discord. Like completely from scratch, from nothing, create some sort of MMO where you can train skills, you can fight monsters, all in a Discord bot, in a Discord server. I've always had some kind of idea like that for a long time. People would love you to save the life, to be honest. Yeah, honestly, you know what I could do? Thank you for the second, actually third $2 donation or super chat. Thank you very much. I honestly should do like a playlist on my. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a playlist on my channel called live streams. Just leave it there. How hard is it to code a Discord bot? Not hard at all. Right now, how we have everything structured, it's not difficult, but it's definitely more intermediate. But if you check out my first video of this playlist of the coding a Discord bot in 2021 playlist, it'll take you like 20 lines of code. It can honestly take you like 5 lines of code to get a Discord bot running. Oh yeah, you guys really want the... Yeah, fine. I'm gonna save this in a new playlist called live streams and just keep it there. Okay, so for description, we want to get the args. Where is it? Is it 0? I guess 1. Multiplayer stats on args 1 platform. I'm guessing I can do that. Okay. Wait, we can't do that. We can't end it yet. Okay, the fields. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. So how do we want to structure this? What are the important things that we want to get out of this? We definitely want to get kills. The games played, the total games played. So let's get the games played. So, name, games played. Value is gonna be data. I'm just gonna copy this right here. Dot, and I'm thinking it's total games played, right? Total games played. Played inline true. What's my favorite programming language? Oof, that's a toughie. Okay, let me show you something. What do I have in here? I've been studying to learn Rustlang, and this is actually currently a Discord bot. Oh, I got this little token here. Don't worry, I already deleted this bot a long time ago. But Rust, it's actually such an amazing language to code in. I'm learning it piece by piece. This is definitely not a beginner-friendly language, but it's so nice. But other than that, like JavaScript is just, look how clean it is. I feel empowered when I code in JavaScript. Can you make a bot that connects with your Minecraft server? I actually did a tutorial last video. I did a tutorial on Minecraft servers. Just instead of the public thing that I did, you can just take that that package that I used and then just connect it only to your server. Okay, make it this. Is natural language processing in JavaScript possible? I don't think so. I think you can do some things, but I think you're locked into a lot of things that you want to do with your actual computer. But like Node.js makes it pretty easy if you want to use C++ to connect to it and then do other things in C++, which can make it easier on your computer. Do I have a video on how to add a bot to a Minecraft server or maybe to code a Minecraft server? I do not have any tutorials on Minecraft itself. My channel is mainly focused on Discord, but I do have a video on how to connect your Minecraft server into a Discord server. Anyway, so we got games played. We want wins, of course. So name, wins, value, That's not it. That's comment. What's it called? Wins? I'm gonna guess it's just wins. Inline equals true. Next, we're gonna have losses. Name losses. Guessing it's just gonna be losses. Oh, inline. Do you have a way to fully learn Discord.js? I want to become like you so I can code almost everything without having to follow the YouTube tutorial. Just know what to write on my head. I mean, YouTube tutorials teach you a lot. If you want to completely learn everything by yourself, just go to Discord.js website. Come here, go to the docs. There it is. Literally everything on Discord.js is here. You can learn a lot of things just reading the docs. Or if you just want to watch my videos and learn that way, or other people's videos. Will I do another live tomorrow? Probably not tomorrow, because tomorrow's when I upload. I'll probably do it like in between the days, because I want to start uploading every 2 days. So I guess I would be live streaming every 2 days also. The docs are pretty yuck though. I kind of agree. Discord.js. There is a website that I do like. Yeah, it's this one. It's discordjs.guide. I think this is this is updated to V12. So come here. A lot of information as well. Discord.js.guide is the website. I like it. How old am I? I'm 21. Okay, so let's actually finish this. We're almost done. Name. What's the next thing we want to do? Let's look at it. I guess KD. Who doesn't want to know their KD? KD. KDA. Or just KD. Ratio. Just KD. I guess that's fine. Value. It's going to be that KD ratio. Inline is going to be true. Name. I guess you want to know the kills and deaths. Kills. Guessing it's kills. It is kills. Inline. True. Nope. Can I make a tutorial on currency bot? I will do that as soon as I get to databases, which shouldn't be that far from now. Databases is something that I really do like. You can do so much by just storing things in a database. However, a lot of people are gonna have to know a lot of sharding. Sharding is how you can have multiple threads depending on different servers. So I don't know if I want to structure my tutorials on something like where the bot is only used in one Discord channel, or a tutorial on the bot being used in multiple channels. Because it changes a lot. Because if you have it in one channel, you can go all out, you can go full steam ahead, just one Discord server, it's your Discord server, and you don't have to do all these complicated things. But once you start adding your bot into multiple servers, you have to get into sharding, having different queues, make sure the databases are all set up correctly. So I think for the tutorials itself, I'm just going to have it all set up for one server. I'm guessing it's just, that's inline true. When is my Discord server going live? I actually just showed this. pretty soon. All I have to do is move all the bots in from my test server and set up all my other things. But everything is already structured. All the bots are already configured. I just gotta move them. Have I ever heard of core bot? I have not. What is core bot? I'm gonna go top.gg. Is this your own custom bot? It's taking me to either Minecraft Marketplace. Top.gg is... I'm guessing this is your own bot. Cool, man. It's on Minecraft Market. Oh, so it is talking about that one. Economy, music, tickets, giveaways, and more. So I'm guessing it's like an economy thing that's connected to your Minecraft server. What icon theme and text theme do I use? Let me show this one more time. One dark vivid. Hey, thanks for the super chat. Getting arcs that joined, not found, error in image scraper. Not found arcs that join in the image scraper. I don't think I have the image scraper anymore. Do I have? Let me see if I can fix that problem for you. Oh, I do not have that. Man, I have to get in a habit into linking the code. Okay, so I see here args that join. It might be a problem with your execute method. Check when it says client message args here. Make sure this is args, and if you have your whole entire command handler set up, it's just simply as doing a variable and then just joining the args like this. Args that join, because this is a list of all the arguments, and make sure you put single quotations or parentheses with a space. But if you're having actual errors, it might have to do something with your command handler. Am I looking for mods for my server? I already have all the mods that I need. Am I gonna make a Discord server? I am. It's almost ready, as you can see. Can I make a series how to make a Discord bot in the Rust language? Oh, dude, I wish. I feel like it would like split my community, because we have the hardcore people who code and they know a lot of coding and they're kind of willing to watch that series, and then we have the people who just want to get the code running and they watch this main series. I don't think I will, just because it gets too complicated and it might split like the people who are watching my videos. I could do like one video maybe, just testing things out. See ya, Ben. Set color. You're trolling me. Set color does not have a K. This K? I think that you're such a troll, dude. Oh wait, you aren't trolling. Cannot read property execute if undefined. So, Damien, that means that your command handler, this right here, is not structured correctly. Oh, not this. Sorry. Where's the event? The message event is not structured correctly, and the command handler is not structured correctly. If that's not true, then you messed up here. Maybe a typo with the execute. Or if not, make sure you have a, what's it called, a comma right here before you go into the execute. Warn system MongoDB, definitely coming. I just have to make a dumb MongoDB video. Okay, let's actually finish this. It's gonna be quick. Let me get back into this. Doing deaths. What's the last thing we need? Longest kill streak. I guess we can use longest. Dude, I'm so bad at Call of Duty. My longest kill streak is 15. That's actually so sad. Data. Let me just copy this one more time. Longest kill streak. And let's just do one more. Let's do total time played. I don't know exactly how long I've played. Total time played. Value is gonna be this. That. What's it called? Total time played. Time total played. Time total played. Time played total. Your longest kill streak was 57? Oh, dude, I wish. I wish, dude. I used to love Call of Duty back when I was a kid and it wasn't so sweaty. Nowadays, I log into Call of Duty and I'm just... It hurts. Let's see. COD Cold War stats by Code Lion. Do I want to console that log? It's fine. Message that panel. Let's send. Embed. This should be it, right? You didn't finish code? What did I not finish? Let me run this. It's kind of hard looking at chat and then looking back at your code. Okay, so that works. MP check. I gotta do this again, don't die. 15527. Am I right with that? And then we're in the battle.net platform. 11527. It's 115. That should work, right? Oh, let's go. COD multiplayer stats. Me. Multiplayer stats on battle platform. Games played 90. 40 wins, 46 losses, a 1.3 KD, 2,000 kills, 1,500 deaths, longest kill streak 15. Total time played 50. I definitely do not have. That's not hours, guys. That's not hours. I promise. What is it? It's in 18 seconds? Who does that in seconds? Parse. Let's parse this as a float. Since we're getting a string. And so you divide 60 by, yeah, if you're getting minutes, you divide by 60. If you're getting seconds, you're gonna divide by, I think it's 3,600. 600. And let's just add plus hours. I'm guessing that's going to be hours. I definitely don't have more than 20 hours in Cold War. 100%. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I have 14 hours, but... Yeah, we're getting this huge number. We're trying to get it to the second decimal place. I like how you laugh. Oh, thanks. I don't know. My laugh is something that even I like. I love laughing. So I guess we just want to get to the second place. Clear node. All right, final check. Boom. Boom. There it is. Look how easy it is. Guys, whenever... My dog is barking. Whenever you have an idea for something like... Something that uses an exterior game or an exterior source for information, it's so easy just to go to npmjs.com, and literally just search it up. Literally, if I want to make a League of Legends Discord bot, all I do is search League of Legends, boom, teamo.js. Come here, and I can get all the data by just using people's packages. People work for this. It's so easy. Like, who would have thought that a Call of Duty bot that gets all the information from Call of Duty itself takes 40 lines of code? Do that, League of Legends bot. Let me check this out one more time. Is a Finalizing lightweight Riot API wrapper with Node.js containing 300 lines. What can I get from this? Is there a doc? I guess we can get a match of a specific player. I would look into it. I probably have to look into the actual code and see what teamo.js does. A lot of people want Fortnite. Fortnite? How do you spell Fortnite? Fortnite like that? Fortnite? How do you spell Fortnite? I guess this one's it. 2 years ago. Usually you want to look at the ones that are recently updated. And this one's a month ago. Fortnite API. Fortnite API. I don't know much about this. I really don't know anything about Fortnite. Let's read the wiki. You can get the shop information by doing this. Fortnite BR shop in English. And then you get all this data and then just put it on a Discord bot. What is the website? It's called npmjs.com. It's this one right here. Can I do a warm command video? Definitely, as soon as I get my what's that called? My database running. Can I do a tutorial on Bitcoin prices? Actually, I really love that. Coinbase. Actually, if we look at this, this is my bot using Rust. And this is actually a bot to get the prices of a specific coin from Binance. I did this in a different language. I love finance. I actually have I'm currently coding a Discord bot that is hooked up to my Robinhood account. And every day at around 6 p.m., it pings me on my own private Discord server. And it tells me how I did on that day. Like my returns, my current holdings, and if any of my holdings have any news available. It's amazing, guys. Like the things you can do, you can literally animate your whole entire life by just creating Discord bots. I could possibly make 100 bots and don't leave Discord for the whole entire day. Let the bots do everything for me. And that's what I really like. I have my own private Discord server just for me, and I only have access to it. And I code Discord bots that help me out to do things. So for example, for my Robinhood finance stock Discord bot, it tells me everything. I don't have to check my Robinhood throughout the day. Just at 6 p.m., boom, sends me a message saying, hey, this is how you did today. Let's see, what are you having? Can I do a tutorial on PM2 hosting and audit logging? I will definitely do a tutorial on that later. I'm just gonna try getting all the basics down. And then of course, in between the basics, I will do all the little fun tutorials. But I'll definitely get all the hosting things done. Can I do a tutorial on an announcement bot and embed builder so people can generate their own embeds? I feel like that I feel like that isn't that difficult to do. Like it might not require a whole tutorial because all you do is you get like the arguments of people and then you construct the fields and like the title. Like for example, set title. I could do this is how easy it is. Let me copy this. And this third argument here can be the title. Hello, this title. There you go. Look, I'm already constructing an embed through the commands here. It's not that difficult. All you have to do is get the arguments. It could get difficult if you want to like make them build an embed by like through an embed, like have an embed where people can build embeds with like reactions. That could get a little difficult, but it should be easy. I mean, I definitely have tutorials that you need on my channel for that. You're gonna make a Hypixel Skyblock bot? Go ahead. Honestly, wait, let me show you this. Let me actually open this before I show you. Actually, do I need to show you? I made a Discord bot that gets all the people who have maxed their skills, like every single person that I could find. It like ranks the skills depending on how many people have maxed it. And that way I found out what was the most max skill in Hypixel Skyblock and the least max skill in Hypixel Skyblock. How you can to use, yeah, Nodemon. I've learned about it. I feel like the way that I'm testing my bots and everything, it's already so structured in my brain. Like the idea of me coming here and doing this, it's just like I don't know. It's ingrained in my head. I should use Nodemon for tutorials. I'll look into that. What file icon do I use? Do I use one? Wait, how do I check this? Definitely not that. I guess this one? Keen natural icon theme? It doesn't seem like it's this one though. I don't know. I don't think I have one. I think this is the main one. Thoughts on making a mod mail bot that allows you to close it but gives the option to view the log? I think I know what you mean. So like you can send mail to a mod through the bot and the mod is allowed to close it or to open the log of the mail that was sent to the mod. I think that's what you mean. Do I help people with code? I really do try. Guys, I get so many emails and Discord messages and friend requests, and every single code is different than a different code. Everyone writes in a different way and tests their own bot different way. I try my best. That's why I really need to get this Discord server running that I'm working on, so you guys can all talk and everyone communicate and everyone help each other. I mean, I try. It gets hard reading other people's code. Like you don't know what went through their head while they're coding it. Coding is like painting. Like it's kind of hard to tell what your end goal was and is by just showing me. But I try. Whatever happened to part 2 of Music Man? That is coming very soon. I actually talked about it in the beginning of the live stream. I'm going to be doing it through a list. So it should be coming out this week. It should be pretty easy. To be honest, you can actually check it right here. This is our play command. We would have to restructure so many things. For example, here for the valid URL, this is like old coding. We could have easily done ytdl dot valid URL and just done it through this. Like, we didn't have to do a whole entire function to validate the URL with this entire thing here. ytdl already had a validate URL function. I didn't know about this. So in like the video that we're for the part 2 music, I would have to delete this. I would have to change this into validate URL. I would have to create a queue. So let queue equals a queue like that. And the only thing that's really tough is that I have 2 sections here. One that gets it from the URL and one that gets it by keywords. So I'd have to make it that they both are able to add to one queue and make these functions here not be able to play the music themselves, make a new function to play the music. And all of these functions here, all of their purpose is just to add the video URL into this queue. And I just have a different function here. So something like const play, play song or something. And I just have like this function here be the one that plays the music. But it'll be coming soon. Honestly, I'm probably gonna, once this live stream is over, code it up and see how I can do it for the tutorial. Java Discord server, it's coming very soon. Stay tuned to the channel, as it shall be coming. Oh, I get it. So someone can DM the bot. I have seen that being used in a lot of servers. So what I could be thinking is this, since I've seen it. Oh, you can see my little bot who's tracking link BTC here. That's not it. There it is. So what could happen, and a lot of people do this, is they have one channel called what do they call this? Invoices or something? Invoice. And in here, there's an embed. So imagine this is an embed. And then, can I react to this embed? Let's react. There's 2, let's just say they have 2 reactions. And one of them is to start a message to a mod, and the other one is just to not do anything, I guess. And then when a user clicks this, it actually it automatically creates a new text channel with an invoice ID. Okay, well, if my thing is not lagging, so invoice ID or whatever ID it gives it, and then the user, whoever's doing the invoice, can type like hello mod help, and then it will close automatically or after some time. Or you can have like a little reaction roll that closes it. And then this text channel will completely vanish from the whole server and only mods can look at it. And when mods click on it, they can look at the message and they can either reply to the user or completely close the invoice. That's what I've seen a lot of servers use, which is actually something pretty cool. Definitely gonna look forward into the future when I do that. No, not like that. So I'm very confused then. That's a ticket system? Oh, what are you guys talking about then? What's the difference between a ticket system and a DM? Because you can use a ticket system to just DM. ModMail bot is a bot for Discord that allows users to DM the bot to contact the server's moderation staff without messaging them individually or pinging them publicly on the server. Oh, so you can just have an event that checks for private messages, take that log, put it into a database, and then have like a bot do like just have the bot store everything, and then the moderators can easily check for it. Yeah, yeah. So it would just be easy. With a database, you can just send all of the messages and DMs to the moderators through a channel. Yeah, okay, okay. That makes sense. I got confused because the ticket system, I mean, technically you do the same thing to the ticket system. Interesting. The DMs get related to a mod mail threads, channels where staff members can reply to and talk with the user. That is actually so. I have never seen that being used. I guess I've never DM'd a moderator before. Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah, that's actually super cool. I like that. Where did I learn to code? I learned to code by watching a lot of YouTube videos, reading a lot of documents, and trial and error, just making small programs that break, and I just fixed them, and then over time I learned. Yeah, the ticket system definitely can mess up the Discord. You're right, because it keeps creating and deleting text channels. So I guess the DM system will definitely be the best possible thing to communicate with mods. I'm gonna have to look into that for my own private server. Can I do a ticket bot with categories? I mean, I guess that would be just the if I make a ticket bot, it would just be that, but just create it for different categories. When is new video? Tomorrow. It's gonna be this. I'm just gonna take this. This will be my last filler video, and then from this video, the next video will be the music bot part two. What's my words per minute in type racer or code racer? I don't know why. I used to be such a good typer back when I was young, but eventually over time, I kind of degraded myself. I especially suck at typing when I'm recording or live streaming. Will I publish this live as a video? Yes. So everyone wanted me to publish this live and keep it on my channel on um, a live stream playlist. So I'm just gonna do that. How to prefix? Well, I can't really show it, but I have my prefix on a .env file here with all my secret things. And all I do is I import the .env, and in my message handler, I got my prefix here with my .env that I've saved. Can I work as a programmer with the current knowledge? Dude, these questions I ask myself sometimes, I don't know. I've never experienced like professional job programming, so I couldn't say. But I feel like professional like job programming, all it takes to do is learn their systems and then just code. So technically to get a job, all you need to know is the language of that job requirement. Like know it at least to an advanced intermediate, and then they teach you how to work with their systems. Most jobs is just you working with their backends, you working with their APIs, their projects. So technically, all you need to know is the language, and then maybe a little bit of CS, a little bit of computer science, maybe a little bit, a tiny bit. What's the best language of code in my opinion? Best. These questions are so tough. Best best is subjective, I think. So I would say JavaScript or Rustling. What font am I using? How do I check this? Is there a font thing here? I really don't know. I think it's something custom. I really don't know. Do I have a Discord server? It's coming pretty soon. Do I have a public bot? I used to. I no longer have a public bot. What's going on, guys? Welcome, new viewers. Would I recommend JavaScript over Java? I would recommend JavaScript if you're doing anything back-end server over Java, just because Java's heavy. It's heavy with the virtual machine, especially on servers. However, I feel like Java could be used very, very well if you know how to use it. It could potentially beat JavaScript. But I feel like JavaScript with Node.js, the speed and just how easy it is to code, I would definitely choose JavaScript over Java for something like a server or Discord bot. I was watching Vsauce, this is better. Oh, I haven't watched Vsauce in so long. JavaScript is honestly JavaScript. Well, you said JavaScript is best for front end development. I feel like JavaScript is pretty much the only way to do front end development. There's no other way. You cannot do front end development without JavaScript. So honestly, if you want to make websites, all you need to know is JavaScript. And I guess HTML and CSS if you want to do that. How old am I? I am 21. And there's a font family. Go to a settings and there's a font family. Settings. Oh, there it is. JetBrains Mono Regular. Mono Regular. There's my font. If you want it. What's going on? Something Infinite World. You think this is pre-recorded? I literally just said your name, dude. If I could live anywhere, where would it be? Okay, this changes a lot too. But I feel like I have this vibe of Japan. I just want to live in Japan for at least 2 years and then be done with it. I just love the culture, man. I mean, come on. Look at my background. Oh, so good, dude. This show's so good. You can make websites without JS. Like, I mean, you can easily just do like WordPress or something. But if we're talking about coding and if you're gonna do front end, 99.9% of the time you're gonna use JavaScript. Why am I not putting the code in this? Yeah, I keep like forgetting. I have a routine to making videos. And sometimes in that routine, like I keep forgetting to put the code in my videos. I have to do that. I also have to open up a GitHub so you guys can do that with GitHub instead of the paste bins that I've been using. You went there with an organization trip for 2 weeks with some friends. It's such an amazing country. I don't know. There's something so attractive about Japan. Like I even love the culture. Like how everyone's like, how do I say this? How everyone is so honorable. Like they're just so nice and they're all so structured. Like I feel like the whole society is more structured than any other society out there. And I just love that. And the food. I cannot forget about the food, dude. Japanese food is lit. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I haven't eaten all day. I'm definitely gonna go eat myself like a poke bowl after this. Did you work on other good projects like this, like the one you're hearing right now? I mean, this is similar to the Minecraft bot. Let me actually change this. Where's the title? What did I have before? COD multiplayer stats. I feel like I literally ended coding this like 20 minutes ago. I'm just talking to chat. It's so funny. Is this live on Twitch? It is not. I do have my Twitch in the description because if you guys want to follow there, I do play games every once in a while. But I feel if I'm coding, I'm definitely going to be coding in this channel and not on Twitch. What time zone? I'm on New York time zone, Eastern time. Can you join my server? You can join it when it's done. Honestly, I might have like a small group of people join it before anybody else to help test it. I'll see what I can do to that. Maybe in a future live stream. So like before I launch my server, I can like live stream and then the people on the live stream can come and help me test it. That'll be fun. Okay, this guy's spamming. Dude, I need to add a moderator. Am I accepting applications for mods? Not yet. I have to see how big the server grows. But I currently have 4 mods already who are just lined up, who are just friends who are going to help me. So maybe eventually. I'm going to get Nightbot the next stream, I promise. This is like the test one. I just want to see how things work. Completely forgot that I need a Nightbot. Can I program a moderator with JavaScript? I mean, yeah, you can. Honestly, to be honest, I could completely have 0 moderators and just create my own moderator Discord bot that moderates everything. I could easily do that. Please make a mod mail. Yes, honestly, after you guys talk to me how actually mod mail works, I am so down to spend like 3 videos making a mod mail. That sounds so cool. Would you be cool with making tutorials about other topics related to coding? I feel like if I do that, it would have to be later on. I just feel like I have my whole entire channel structured that it's all on like Discord. Like we're all right now, everyone who's watching, all my subscribers are trying to like make their own like Discord monopoly, make their own bots. And I feel like that's such a cool thing. Just like take Discord by storm and just make cool bots, do all this crazy stuff. So like, yeah, I could do something like programming tutorials later on, but I feel like I'm more focused on Discord right now and everything that Discord has to offer. And I feel like Discord is literally one of the biggest social medias out there. It might not be like a one that's public, like YouTube or anything, but literally everyone that I know has a Discord and is on a Discord server. Who taught me how to code a Discord bot? I taught myself by watching other YouTube videos and looking at the documentation. Can I add a mod bot for YouTube streaming? I will add Nightbot for the next stream, which should be the 28th. Do commands work while bot is offline? They do not. You must have either your program running on your computer or have it on a virtual server. When I want to make the second part of the music bot, I actually tried doing it here on the stream. I'm going to have it not next video, but the video following that. Next video is going to be this, what I just coded, which is the Call of Duty Discord bot. Let me actually test it one more time for the new people who joined. So this is where we did this live stream here. We have a Call of Duty bot that checks all of our stats of our Call of Duty multiplayer stats. Very cool. I would ask for some of you guys' like information, but I just don't wanna. I don't want you guys to do that publicly because we could potentially just check whoever plays Call of Duty your stats here, but I don't think it's safe for you guys to do that here in chat. What do I use to host my Discord bots? I use Heroku. This right here. Oh, make sure I'm not leaking anything. Yeah, let me log out. Give me a second, boys. Heroku. I use this platform. Go here, go to... I forgot how to do this. I'll probably have a tutorial, but this is like the main thing that I do. You just come here, you are doing Node.js, and you look at everything. It's pretty easy to set up. Takes probably less than like 15 minutes, and you have your bot running. They also have a free version where you can actually host for free. Pretty cool. Can I join the server I'm testing bot? I don't know. I don't feel like leaking this server. This is where I use all my tutorials. Heroku does need a credit card for a free version, which is fine. I mean, you're not gonna get charged, but you're gonna need some information. Oh, some of you guys might not have credit cards. I would have to figure. You guys can probably figure that out. A website that doesn't have a need for a credit card info for a free version. Do you make money with your skill of making Discord bots? I don't sell bots. I don't run, as of yet. I could potentially in the future. I don't run public bots. All of my income comes from this channel. These live streams and these videos are how I make my income with Discord. Honestly, how I make my income anywhere. I'm not a student and I'm not working right now. So let's see. Where do you find bots and events linked? Oh, perfect. This guy just leaked his info. I love it. Maybe he didn't. Oh, wait. Oh, that's so funny. I thought this was your battle.net, but I think it's your Discord. That's so funny. No yeah, most of my revenue right now is from ads. And I guess the $6 that I made from my chat revenue today. Whoa, MP5. Whoa, what are you doing? Can you teach me how to make a bot status 2020? I'm guessing you're saying 2021. How does bot status work? It should be simple, right? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What do I do? plain call of duty. That should be it, right? No, set activity, no, it's of null. They changed this, right? V12. V12. They did. Interesting. So I don't have a client already here. Client uses this activity to hello. They changed that? No, they did. They did change that. Client user set activity to plain call Diddy. They definitely changed that because of V12. Let me change. Let's see what they changed. Oh, wait, there's no way. Client, the user that set activity, plain call of duty. Am I doing this wrong? Is my brain farting right now? Yeah, it is. Oh, I think it is. I think it is. I think it is farting. Do you want to pass Discord? Definitely don't want to pass in Discord. Does that work now? Text you cannot read proper null. Text type. I'm watching. Oh. See, this is why I usually code before the tutorials, because Discord has changed a lot. Presence. Oh, did I mean to do that? I'm guessing this is how it's gonna be. Don't give error, don't give error, don't give error, don't give error. Give error. Wait, what do you mean? Oh. So dumb. I'm so dumb. Presence of undefined. Well, let me re-chat. You guys are probably helping me out here. I see, I see. So the presence doesn't work anymore. Thank you, chat. Thank you very much. I think I did a tutorial like this. I kind of forgot how everything works, to be honest. Right? If I don't get this working on my own live stream, that is so funny. That is so funny. Look, this is what you guys are typing right here. This makes kind of no sense. Okay, you definitely did not mean to do that. You definitely did not mean to do that. Which is the same thing that I just typed. Is everyone confused? Is version 12 breaking everybody? I had that set presence. Right? This is what I thought for V12, how people were doing it. Did I not type it correctly? Let me check this. Client, that user, that set preference. There we go. Copy this, paste it here. It's the same thing. present instead of ready event. This is the ready event. Go to the main file on right client.on ready. Guys, we have a handler here for the ready event. This is ready.js. When the bot is ready, we're messaging here. We don't have to do this in our main file. Okay, let's do it one more try. It's actually crazy. This is like the most basic thing that's known out there. Invalid token, expected token. Oh. Okay. This is what everyone seems to be. Oh, just scrolling too fast. This is how everyone's saying to do it, right? So let's figure this out. Discord docs. Oh, Discord.js docs. Discord.js docs. Client dot user dot set activity. Okay, well, if the docs gets it wrong, then we're all kind of screwed here. Then presence console log set presence to activities.name console log. I mean, that's fine. Okay. I guess we're not passing client correctly then. I guess we were correct the whole entire time. This is a guild event. Get our event handler. Make sure null Discord client. Okay, got it. Got our problem. Right? User of undefined. Oh boy, dude. I'm just gonna do it here. What I look over at chat. What's going on, dude? Oh my gosh. Just Google define Discord. Why do I have to define Discord? Why is this client? Yeah, it does matter. We have null first. Unless null. There's no way I did this way. Oh my gosh. I messed up. Guys, it was all on me. New event handler. Let me focus. Forgot to bind is null. We start with Discord and client. I hate this. This is so stupid. I usually pass in client then Discord. If you look at like if you look at MC server, it's always client then Discord. But for this stupid event handler, I pass in Discord then client. Anyways, watching playing Call of Duty. I kind of hate that. That's horrible. Plain. But there you go. That's how you do the activity in V12. Congrats. Hallelujah. There you go. Plain Call of Duty. Oh boy, here we go. Let's try our command one more time. The tables have turned, now it's the viewers helping. Dude, honestly, it's always you guys helping. It's always the conversation with these videos. You guys don't think I get like help in the comment section? There's a lot of times where I'm like doing a tutorial and then I look at the comments section and I'm like, wow, this guy's like completely correct. I did this so wrong. There's many ways. Coding is just there's just many ways you can look at coding. So you honestly you need a lot of eyes to make like a professional program. That's why usually a lot of people have a GitHub and then they just send it out to the public and the public reads all the code and they have a separate set of eyes looking at everything. Favicon support for MC server command. How do we did this? Okay, you do get the favicon here. I think, like, how can you fetch a favicon? Huh. Wait, which one did I use? MC server util. If you look at the video, there's a link to the package. I think the package has something to do with it. When am I gonna make my public Discord server? As soon as I finish putting all the bots here and getting all the roles going. Shouldn't take that long, to be honest. Do I read emails after the stream? I am clogged with emails, especially the email that's connected to this website. So, potentially, I would say. Use response to favicon? Yes, you can. But the thing about the response to favicon is that it's not sending you an actual image. You would have to do some sort of navigating to actually get the image to actually pop out. Yeah, there you go. It's a base 64. It's weird. I don't know. I really don't know how you get the favicon from a server. There's probably a way. JS, get Minecraft, favicon. There it is. Look, I already found it. Base 64 URL converter for Discord bot. Voila. Voila. So it looks like you buffer from base 64, then you actually make a new attachment. This is so weird. But there it is. This is how you do it. All it takes is one search on Google and you'll be able to convert it. If a music bot is already in a voice channel in one server, if it tries to join another voice channel, will it work? Yes, Discord bots are different. They are allowed to go into multiple servers and into multiple, streams of audio and everything. It's not like a regular user where if you join one server, it kicks you from another server. Bots are spread out. And that is why you want to learn, if you guys really want to get into very popular and big Discord bots where you can join multiple servers, I suggest you learning sharding. I do not have a tutorial on this because it's very complicated. But I guess we go and just click anything. There it is. There's a tutorial here on sharding. This is how you can split into multiple instances of itself. So basically with sharding, your bot is duplicating itself to be able to handle all the load of multiple Discord servers. And this is how you're able to get that simple code that just runs on your bot and have it onto like hundreds and thousands of servers. You also need permission from Discord, but you can turn the permissions on the developer portal. Did I say sharding? I'm sorry, I have my headphones on. It's so hard to like hear my voice and be able to reproduce like a good sounding sound. English is not my main language, so it's kind of hard. Sharding. Yeah, search Discord.js guide sharding. How long have we been live for? Stream health. Oh, it's been quite some time. What's up, nothing? What's my main language? Espanol. Is it like an API? Nope. Sharding is just straight up JavaScript. It's just something that you do. What is this? Oh, it's like it's an actual programming thing that you do to your Discord bot. It's not an API. Could you replace your user passing and show us how to structure the code login? I will not show you my .env. One and a half hours. Oh boy, dude. We literally finished this bot that we made like an hour ago. I like this. I like streaming. It's just so chill talking. I feel like I need to have a plan though. Like this bot took me like 2 seconds to make. I feel like I need a plan to be able to like stream for like 4 or 5 hours. Can I make a logs tutorial? Probably will do that as well as the DM manager. Client has to do with things of your bot. So for example, the ready event, that has nothing to do with our server. Guild, what guild basically means is Discord server. So everything that has to do with your Discord server goes into guild, and everything that has to do with your bot goes into client. So since ready has nothing to do with our server, like right here on ready, all we're doing is logging and connecting to our bot. So this is our bot, all the bot information in client. Guild is when you mess around with the actual Discord server events. Your bot keeps repeating your main.js. That means that you have 2 terminals open running your bot. So you have 2 bots running. So you can open your terminal, either if you're using it in Visual Studio Code, just close it with this kill terminal here. Or if you're with your CMD, just close your CMD. That means you just have 2 of them open. Music bot part 2 coming in 2 videos. So not next video, but the video following that will be music part 2. What are my PC specs? I think I have a 2070 Ti, 2070 Super. And I'm not sure for my CPU. I built this like over a year ago. I'm not sure. I know I do have 16 gigs of RAM. I don't know the speed. I forgot many things. I'm making a bot 24/7 online when you finish the bot series. I'll probably do it before I finish the bot series. And I feel like the bot series will not be finished. It will just continue on. There's so many things, so many bots that you can create. It's kind of impossible to finish something like a series where we teach everything. But yeah, I'll probably have that up sometime. Definitely sometime beginning of this year. Will I do more moderation command vids? I will. I mean I have to, like, I know how to code. I am fluent in the Discord language, you can say, like how Discord servers work. There's just a lot of things that I don't know that Discord bots have. So you, like, for example, recently you guys told me about the mod mail, like that. I didn't know that actually was and how it functioned. So I kind of need you guys' help to like recommend stuff. So usually when you guys leave the comments in the videos, I usually look over them and study on what you guys mean. Could I do a live stream where I do some features as we ask live? Just an idea. That is so. That is some. I want to do that so bad. I would have to do something that's not through chat because it would just be a spam. But that is actually something that's so cool. Yeah, I'll definitely do. I'll look into it. Can I also make a C# Discord tutorial? I don't know much about C#, so I can't help you with that. Sorry. It writes in italic because of my font family. Right? Where is it? There it is. This font family, like, there's some things that it writes in italic. JetBrains mono regular. What do I think about C++? It's a great language. It gets pretty complicated when it gets to handling your memory. I wouldn't suggest for a beginner to learn C++ necessarily, unless you're going to be using it for a specific project, maybe like video game development. But if you're going to more, what's that called? I can't think. More computer programming. I can't think of the word. But anyway, if you're thinking of doing Java, C++, I would probably suggest you to learn something like Rustlang. Systems programming, that's what I meant to say. So if you want to learn systems programming, not necessarily use for like your job or something, I would probably suggest Rust. It's very easy. It doesn't necessarily handle the memory for you, but it's easier to handle memory through Rust. So I would probably suggest this to learn systems programming and not C++. What do I think about Java? I loved Java. Java was actually my first programming language that I learned, because I used to code like Minecraft plugins and mods. So that's how I learned to code, like actual thing about coding. I learned it from Java, and then I transferred that into JavaScript and then Rust, and then I know a little bit of C# because a lot of C# is pretty much JavaScript. Sorry, Java. So I love Java. Yeah, it's called the Call of Duty API. Here, honestly, since I should have probably done this at the beginning of the video. This is the API that we use today, if you want to take a look at it. Do you know how to add a radio station on Discord bot that plays that station, like a real radio station? I actually had a client that wanted me to make their Discord bot for the radio that they were hosting. It was just so long ago. This was like 5 years ago. I forgot what I used, but you definitely can. You just have to convert the radio signal that you're getting from a specific... Let's see, where can I do this? Before I think, let me search. How would we do this? Let me search this up. Yeah, just for a package. I already found one. It's called like Discord radio streaming bot. It's just converting all the radio into, it's pretty much like the music playing bot, into be able to stream it. How would I suggest to run a Discord bot on my own hardware? I wouldn't necessarily suggest to run a bot. If you're running it 24/7, I wouldn't suggest for you to run it on your own hardware. If you do have something like a Raspberry Pi, then maybe. It's just so much easier to do it in a virtual server. There's a lot of free virtual servers out there too. There's a virtual server you can run 22 days out of the whole entire month, which is, it's decent. It's free and you get free 22 days out of a month hosting. Dude, I honestly wish you guys, it's actually incredible because you guys can hear the music. I've had music on the whole entire time. It's just my voice. Man, I gotta fix this. Like, come on. Monday morning jazz? Who doesn't want to hear that? What are my VS Code extensions? I've showed this. Let's do this one more time. Better Toml, that's for Rust. Just ignore that. Community material theme. Crates, that's for Rust. Ignore that. Customize UI. That's for something. Glassit is what makes my Visual Studio Code transparent, so I can look at my background. Then I got JavaScript, code snippets, key natural icon theme, which I don't think I use, macOS modern theme, which I don't use, material theme that I don't use. I don't use this one at all. Monkey patch, what is this? Execution of binary JavaScript in GS Code browser admin process. I don't think I use this anymore. I don't use that. I don't use that. Oh, I do use this. No, I don't use that. I use OneDark Vivid. I don't use that. Rust Analyzer, that's for Rust. Oh, this is what I use to... Actually, no, I don't use this. But if you guys want to like light up your words, you can use Synthwave. Actually, I do have it. Interesting. Honestly, this is all like tangled up. I don't know what I use anymore. I don't use that. I don't use that anymore. And this is for Vue.js. Those are all the ones I have. Do I plan on making a level and rank command? I do plan to do that as soon as I do the database video, which I think it's going to be tomorrow's video, which is the Call of Duty bot, then the music bot, which is next, then a couple more filler videos where we can, we create random bots. And then we're going to do database. Then after database, we're going to do economy. After economy, we're going to do the mod mail, I think, if I can get that running. And then with the database, we can do, honestly, do anything. We can do leveling system and all of the things that a database needs, or that needs a database. Can you make a bot that can stream a movie for you? You can. Can you do that? Discord.js. Stream video? Discord currently doesn't allow bots to use video functionality as users would. This would be a Discord API, Discord feature request. So it looks like Discord does not allow bots to go live. So I'm guessing you cannot. Sorry about that. I am a man with a plan. It's gonna be MongoDB for sure. That's probably the easiest, and most Discord bots use MongoDB. Am I gonna use Firebase? Probably not. Does Firebase have a free? The thing about Firebase is that it's so expensive. It's like so easy to get started with, but it's so expensive. There is a free plan. But honestly, this free plan looks nice. Wait a minute, what? Dude, wait a minute. All of these requests for free? This is so good. For just for having a Discord bot on one server, maybe even 2 or 3. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do the tutorial on Firebase though, but definitely MongoDB for sure. Mongo is the best database so far. A lot of games use Mongo. Oh, what happened? That's just a little glitch. Heroku is probably one of the best virtual servers that you can use. It is very good. Give me a second, guys. All right, I'm back. Okay, I need a plan for my next live stream. I gotta fix my tracks so you guys can hear music. I have to add definitely Nightbot because a lot of people were spamming. Do I prefer Quick Mongo or Quick DB? The name sounds familiar, Mongo. Quick Mongo wrapper for beginners. To be honest, to be fair, I don't know much about MongoDB. I know more about MySQL, but I know the MongoDB is so much better, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of research on that as well. I do know the basics. I know how to get started. I know how to connect. Quick DB. It's an open source meant to provide easier ways for users to be able to all levels to access store data in a low, medium volume environment. Data store. Oh, dude. From a quick look, quick.db is nice. Interesting. Would I suggest to run the bot on your own hardware? I would not if you're running it 24/7, as it can take a toll on your hardware unless you have like a separate PC or something like a Raspberry Pi. Is that Bird 318, dude? Quick.db sucks. I don't know. I mean, I'm just taking an overview of it. I still have to learn MongoDB, but I mean, it looks nice. That's what I could say. Learn Mongoose. That's what I was thinking. I was definitely gonna use Mongoose for sure. Now, is Mongoose the best for? I would have to look what Discord bots use. I know more Mongoose with all the schemas than I do with the quick.db. What armor do I have in Hypixel Skyblock? I have full storms. Has someone already asked you what icons now use for files and folders? Yes, they have. I think if we go here, it is material theme icons. That is what I use. Anyway, lads, I am starving. Thanks for all the super chats. Tomorrow's video is going to be on this Discord Call of Duty bot that we created here. If you did follow today, you could have made this into Modern Warfare. So you go Modern Warfare. No, that's World of War. Modern Warfare multiplayer. You could also do what's the battle royale called? I forgot what the battle royale is called. I actually can't think of it. Everyone plays it. Warzone. Thank you. Warzone. Where's Warzone? Yeah. Warzone. Thanks, lads. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. Warzone. You can do Warzone stats. Warzone. Or, sorry. Modern Warfare Warzone? Yeah, I'm guessing. But you can customize this all you want, boys. Should I do a paste bin? Let's just do a paste bin if you guys want the actual code of this video. So, Cold War MW MP. Let's copy all this. Let's copy all that in there. Make sure I'm not leaking anything. Definitely not leaking anything. Syntax in JavaScript. Public error, create paste bin. Here you go, boys. If you want the code for today's live stream, there it is. Take it if you want it, or leave it. Make sure to install the actual API into your project. Spam. That's funny. Do you have a Discord server? Not yet. Will be released very soon. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back tomorrow with the video, and then following that day, the 28th, I'll be live streaming. We're going to be making more bots and more bots. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later on my next live stream. Peace.